last video that only has like 5 views, I mentioned Steve got his truck in a box, which is this big ass fucking hino, which I get to go play with. And it's definitely bigger than the Chevy. It's definitely bigger than the Ford. Air brakes, all that fun stuff. And I ain't quite played with something this big. I've ridden in it. Oh, air seat. So I'm not sure. Ooh, that's nice. Chevy's supposed to have one of these, but it don't work. So let's see, where's the key? Big ass Toyota. Can't see. Let's see. Turn that off. Oh, too close. There we go. Alright, yeah, so I'm not sure how that's gonna go. I've never driven something. Oh no, I've driven big trucks. I've driven dump trucks a time or two, but yeah, I'm going over to Back Bay Diesel and picking up a crew cab long bed dually 7.3 Ford. They have 350, I'm assuming, and it's, I guess, full of transmissions and transfer cases. So I guess it's pretty heavy. Guess you need headlights, huh? So yeah, I guess we'll check that out, because the little truck definitely cannot move that. So I'll catch up with you guys once I get over there. Well, I gotta say, so far, this is fucking awesome. I need one of these. This ride quality is nice. It drives nice. The air seat is fantastic for these bumpy ass Virginia roads. And I didn't even know the exhaust brake was like automatically on when you hit the brakes. So all you realistically have to do when you're coming to a red light, if you're not hauling ass, you just press the brake pedal and you can let off of it and it'll just slow down. And it's pretty fucking neat. This is nice. And Copart to give me one too. I'll go do some Copart stuff. Alright. See what we're working with. Oh, the coolest part about this fucker's the airbags, dude. Check it out. I don't know how good it'll show. Fucking sick. Alright. Four-wheel drive crew cab short bed dually. It's not a long bed, is it? It might be a long bed. To me that looks kind of short. Oh yeah, solid steel bumper, and the bed is full of transmissions and transfer cases. This is weird. Like, they just moved shops and they've been here for quite a while. I'm used to all these spots being absolutely loaded with trucks, and sometimes out here as well. And this is where we took my old flatbed quite a few times. You set the keys in it. I don't think it runs. But the tuner's lit up. PCM not responding. Yeah, I ain't touching all that. It's got the key. We'll get it loaded up. And these work lights are bright as shit. I love it. They just did all the new, you can't see them right now, but they're all clear lights. I like the lettering down the bed. It looks much cleaner. I don't know if you can see it. You got all the caps on the wheels there. This is a nice rig. And the best part, to me, the PTO is silent. It sucks that the switch is all the way over here. Barely hear that thing running. stealing this thing. Now, I ain't used it, but it's got an air winch, so unlike my other trucks, it's got the pull handle for the winch. It's back here on the switches. You engage and disengage it right there. Also, these bigger trucks, I always wondered why people squat down to fuck with the levers. It's not like the little trucks where the bed's kind of above the switches. They're way up underneath, so it's kind of awkward. You hit your arm on it, on the bed. This thing moves fast as shit. Not quite as fast as a Jordan, but it moves quick. Alright, let's see. So, free spool is up. I guess that does it. Oh, it's supposed to have a cable tensioner, it says. Huh. That thing rolls so nice. The 550s and the Chevy, sometimes I gotta like wrestle it just to get it to move. This thing, you barely tug on it. It's neat, this truck in a box thing. They give you all brand new equipment, brand new chains and everything. Oh, there's no transmission in here, so that'll roll nice and easy. Question is, where do I want to hook it? This is a 22-foot deck, so I could just hook it to the axles. Do I want to? No. I'd rather go to the frame, realistically, but there's not like easy access frame holes that I see. So I think I'll just go to the axle. I don't know, I can't see. If I could find a decent frame hole, I'll go there. The problem is, some of these, you can't access them on both sides. Like, there's one right there, but it's got a piece of iron welded, or steel welded to it. There's one up here, that looks promising. I'll try that one. These bigger trucks out, I like using, it sounds weird, but I like using the small chains over the big ones, or the small hooks over the big ones. Where the fuck is it? There it is. Alright, well, that didn't work. Back to the axle I went. Alright, get it hooked on this side. This winch is fast as shit. I'm gonna rehook that side. I don't like where I put it. It's gonna slide. It's been a while since I've towed a big truck. I forgot how much this camera necklace thing moves around. Alright. Let's re-engage the winch. Ooh, fancy. Get some tension on this thing. Look at that. Fast as shit. I really don't like the placement of the J-hooks. At all. It's kind of hitting the U-bolts, but I really don't have any other decent place that I saw. Like there's some spots up front, but the bridle's really long, and that's further forward than the axle. And I can't get to the slots I want to go to because I got that steel there. There's one's way the fuck back here, but I don't like that. I don't know. It's kind of a pickle. Oh, that's a decent one. I'll try that. Now we're hooked. Not fantastically, but it'll do. And it's better than the axle. It's better than the original frame slots I wanted to go into. Just need to get this wheel straight. And I've seen this truck on the road so many times. I remember that F-bomb on the bed right there. I ain't seen it in a while. I guess that explains why. Alright, let's try this again. How the fuck am I getting so greasy? Alright. It looks straight. I guess we'll see what happens. Holy fuck. That winch is fucking fast, dude. It's a heavy truck and it just boom. Yeet. It's straight, but it's not straight. It looks like it'll come up the bed. It's on there. Get my J-hooks on. The chains I gave him with this thing are massive, like not massive, they're just super long, which is actually kind of good. And it just picks it up, no problem. That is crazy. The 550 could never. Even the Kodiak would struggle with these. Sorry, it's kind of dark. I ain't got much to go off of. I do need a light. It's kind of on edge, but it's not bad. It's on the truck. Let's go further back. I don't want to tilt the bed flat because there's no... Oh shit. Puking transmission fluid out of the bed. There's no transmission in this truck, so I don't want to put it flat and have it roll. But I need to hurry up and get this in before I make more of a mess. Yeah, bear with me. Ah, fuck. Shit. Alright, that one will wait until I get it on. Forward a little more. Hey, U-bolt's loose as fuck. I barely touched it in the whole fucking U-bolt just moved. That one's in. That one's in. Snug her up. That's crazy, dude. I don't know how good it'll show. It doesn't look big on there. Like, it looks normal. But you go to the little trucks and put something like this on there, it towers it, even on the bed. And he had a bucket truck with a service body on here the other day, and he said he didn't even feel it. So I'm curious to see how this is gonna go. I do need to get a couple straps on here at least. I got a little bit of a drive to drop this off. Get these chains out of the way. That'll do. Kill this PTO. Normally, if I'm just rocking and rolling, I don't strap anything, as most of y'all would know. But it's a big truck. It's got a lot of weight in the back of it, and there's no transmission to hold it. So I guess I'll play it safe. Let's see. Which ones do I want to use? Because there's wheel lifts. We'll go with these. See how that runs? Oh, he hasn't got both of them set up. I guess I'll set it up for him. Only gonna run them in the front. I got full faith in my chains. Hey, he's a nice fucking... He went to... I forget the name of the place. It's got these diamond stitch. TA, I think it said. Really nice. And we've always used the J&R ones. I guess these guys are local, or local-ish. At least they sell them local. And a couple of the other guys we know use these, so he picked them up. What the fuck? Let's see. He's got them in here backwards. Alright, I'm just retarded. These don't have the forward keyholes. Use the old safety chain tie down. I did something to my left knuckle. I don't know what, but it really hurts to grab things with it. And I didn't like hit it on anything. I didn't sprain it or none of that. But fucking hell, this hurts. Like, I can't pinch that too goodly. That doesn't feel nice. Doesn't bother me enough till I go to the doctor about it, but just like one of those irritating pains. This one set up like so. I honestly don't know how much of this is even showing up on camera. I know it's pretty dark, especially like right now where I'm not in direct light. I don't know. I haven't done anything at night in a long time, so I have no idea how it really shows. What I do know is I'm getting fucking eaten by mosquitoes tonight. I just cut my yard and it's still wet. It's been consistently raining non-stop. So it's kind of swampy. And all the damn mosquitoes coming out. That's tight. I like these ratchets, those are solid. I've had the same Vevor ones on the flatbed since we first got the my 6.0 flatbed. Alright, that's good to go. I think we're all set. I'll try to record unloading it. I don't remember there being a lot of light over there. Let's see, try to get a thumbnail picture. Alright. Let's see. Air it back up. Is it going? I think it's going. I wonder if it aired back up after I killed the PTO. Yes. Yes, it did. I think it's going back up, yeah. Slowly but surely. Alright, well. Go ahead. And I'll catch y'all once I get over here to Chesapeake. Alright, well, that was a fantastic ride over here, but now that I'm actually here, I forget this is a large truck. I got 4 feet maybe in front of me. I originally came in with my nose over this way, but I wouldn't be able to get out because I'd be sandwiched between this truck and that truck, which is really nice. So yeah, there's a lot of trucks here. This looks like my best bet. Honestly, I probably could have backed up a little bit more, but I have enough room to get out. So I'll see what I gotta do first. Go ahead and pop these straps. I'm telling you, this is a treat. Like, this is nice. I've driven some nice stuff, but shockingly a tow truck's the nicest. Come on. Hop free. Why is it not popping free? There it goes. My body's doing new things and I don't like it. I don't know if it's cutting out the sodas and just not having as much sugar throughout the day or what, but like just on the drive over here, my stomach feels like it just got stabbed. And I don't need to go to the bathroom or nothing. I've already taken care of that. But my stomach hurts. Now I feel kind of weak. And it happens at least once a day. I don't necessarily like it. I don't think anybody would like it, but you know, life goes on. Oh, god damn it. Pull enough slack out. Yeah, that's the crane. Oh, it's a crane truck, not a bucket truck that he had on the back of this. Okay, I hope I'm not getting sick. That would really suck. I haven't been sick, like sick in a long time. It's not ideal. Another problem is we stopped eating out like fast food as much as we used to, and I started cooking at home. But the last few weeks I've been kind of struggling to get by, so I haven't really been making anything at home. Just kind of been skating by with what I could get, and eating out a little bit. Like today, I was starving, so I got some chicken nuggets and french fries from McDonald's. Normally it doesn't bother me, but not eating fast food as much really tears me up when I do get it. And it sucks. And sometimes I just want a little snack. I forgot to turn on the upper lights. I want like a little treat, you know, get something quick, and it tears you up. I don't know. Fucking sucks. But yeah, this whole new not feeling fantastic every day thing is kind of not cool. Like, I'm getting sweaty. It's not even that hot. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Maybe I'm dying. That's a possibility. Not a fantastic thing, but hey, it might happen. Those are up. Let's get these chains off. So yes, it did air back up after I turned the PTO off. Found that out. Put down some crushed asphalt back here. It's nice. Last time I was here, it was all grass and old gravel. I forgot about the transmission fluid shower. I don't want that. Backed up more. It's not the most ideal spot having the truck in front of me where it's at. Getting winded. Take out the fence. That winch is fast. Like, holy shit. Hey, we're good. What the fuck? I didn't even see that. It's got some like solar panel looking shit. What was I about to say? I don't know. Oh, he's gonna be pissed. He just cleaned oil off his bed. Yeah, it's got trans fluid. Don't think there's anything to talk about. It's not a terrible spot, but it's not fantastic either. Okay, definitely hitting the fence just a tidbit. Didn't crush it. That's good. Let me pull the bed up a little bit. Let's get it off there. You need something to chalk these wheels. Shit, I left my phone in the truck. Fuck. I don't think there's anything really laying around here I can just chalk it with. It's not rolling right there, so that might be fine. I doubt the parking brake works, but I'll set it. I felt like it just went straight to the floor. It's set, and it's not going far. If it does roll, I'll just tap the fence. Alright. It's a bitch to get these mini J's where they are. Let me go behind the sway bar and the leaf. But I can't really see. Here we go. That's one. This one's easier to get to. There we go. All right. Actually insane how fast this thing moves. And I talked to some guy. He says at these Cummins going down the highway, if you're not paying attention, like they just kind of sneak up on you with the speed. And it wasn't lying. I fucking ended up doing. It wasn't like anything fast, but I want to say like 65. And it didn't even feel like it. Felt like I was doing maybe 45 down the side road. No, I was cruising. Weird because when you go fast in bigger trucks, normally you like notice it, you feel it. This thing rides like a Cadillac. But oh, go back in the little 550 tomorrow. See. That's it. Air it up. Alright. Well, that'll be it. Thanks for coming along and experiencing this beautiful thing. And I'll catch you on the next one.